expand (3W) plus 10Z into bracket P minus 3Q. Solution. We have 3W plus 10Z into brackets P minus 3Q. So the first thing to do is to use the first term in the first binomial expression to multiply the whole of second binomial expression. And what's the first term? We have 3W. To multiply the whole of second binomial expression, which is P minus 3Q. Then we use the second term in the first binomial expression to also multiply the second binomial expression, which is P minus 3Q. Now the next thing for us to do is to expand the brackets. Expanding the bracket, we use the 3W's to multiply P. Now what do we have? We have 3PW. Now we use that same 3W to multiply minus 3Q. So 3 times minus 3 will give us minus 9. Then we have W times Q, we have what? WQ. So we have here minus 9 QW. Now, the next thing for us to do is to use 10Z to multiply P. 10Z times P, what do we have? We have 10PZ. Now, we use that same 10Z to multiply minus 3Q. So 10 times minus 3, we have minus 30. So Z times Q, we have ZQ or QZ. So we have here minus 30QZ. Now we have 4 terms, and these 4 terms are unlike terms. Hence, the answer to this question is 3PW minus 9QW plus 10PZ minus 30QZ. Thank you.